Hello there. I thought I was gonna start talking a little bit about an AutoCAD drafting software, which I used to use back like 20 years ago. So this is AutoCAD 2000. So let's see. So this one, let's go back to the main picture. So this is AutoCAD 2D drafting, mechanical drafting. So this what I have here is like a cylinder and has a couple of brackets welded on the bottom, and I believe has a pressure switch here. So the way you can draw this is let's look over here. So there's the cylinder, there's the 2 feet which are welded, and there's one shell here and another shell over there, and they're welded in the middle, and this part is welded too. So let's look at the bracket, this yellow part over here. So I believe it's this one. Yeah, this is the bracket. There you go. That's the bracket. So I drew this up, and it has a like a knot on the end of it, a hex knot. This one used a floating hex knot. Anyway, this AutoCAD has over here has a model and a layout. Basically, this is the layout. So you can also add a new layout. See over here, you go to a new layout. But anyway, what happens is the first thing you do is you draw whatever you wanna make in the model layout, and then the good thing about the computer is, well, let's say the good thing with the computer is here. What you can do is you can select this part, for example. You go to edit, copy, edit, paste. You can bring it and put it anywhere over here if you want. Okay, so you can make a duplicate of it. So that's the good thing with the CAD. If you were going to do it with pen and paper, it would have taken you a long time. So and then you can put dimensions on it. Oh, and then once you do the drafting, you always when you draw whatever part you want to make, you always draw it at 1:1 scale over here. So everything is 1:1. So this 1.93 inches is actually 1.93 inches. So this is 1:1 scale. And then once you made your part and you dimensioned it, then you bring it into your this part here. So this is for printing. And what this is, this is a blank form. Let me show you over here. Okay, so let's see. Yeah, that's, see over here, this is a blank form. Yeah, so this is like an A size, what they call an A size. And A size is like 8.5 by 11 inch. So they got A size, B size, C size, D size. So a B size is two A sizes, and a C size is two B sizes, and the D size is two C sizes put together. So A size is 8.5 by 11. So what you can do is once you draw your and this is in another file. See, this is another file. Each of these are different files over here, which I've already opened it up. So what you can do is once you're ready to print whatever you made, you can import it. And by importing, you just click it, you just select it, you just say edit, copy, and then you can bring it to, let's say, this page over here. View, zoom, all. Yeah, and then we can even make it smaller. And then edit, paste. So there's your A size. Now the A size, for this is going to be too small because the part is just too big. So to have all of this in one template, you got to use like a C size. So this is an A size. So you got to use a C size. See? That's A size drawing. So that's too small for this. So you got to use a C size, I think. Like here. View, zoom, all. Yeah, right here. See, this, they brought it over here. So this is like C size. So there's your part, and they call this an assembly drawing because it shows, see, this is the item number. So this item number, the stuff in the circles, corresponds to this, and it gives you a description of it. Let's make it bigger. My mouse is acting up. It's not a great mouse. So yeah, so everything in the circle is an item number here, and there's a description of it. And down here, it tells you what to do with it. So these are the notes. Anything in circle, in like triangle over there, it tells you what to do with it. So that's just a easy part. Just a cylinder with air in it, air receiver. Okay, so what you do is you can, after you draw all of this, you import it into here, into your so see, this is a C size drawing or D size drawing. You import it into here, and then you can print it. So now I can print this. Yeah, page setup, plotter. Yeah, they call it plot, but in the old days it was hooked up to a plotter. But now everybody uses a printer. What you call so that's basically it. And then you can have different new layout if you wanna see new layout. See layout 1, and then it asks you what size paper size. So you can change the paper size. So this is for the regular printer, 8.5 by 11 printer. So you just say OK, and then OK, and then there it is. So So it brought everything which was on there into here. Now you can, I think that's how you did it. You can choose which part of it. So yeah, we don't want that part, so you can choose. Yeah, you can choose what you want. We choose only this part of it. So we want to print only this part. And then now, how do we? There's a way to make this fill up the page. Man, I've forgotten. This is 20 years ago. I used to do this stuff. Anyway, the problem is this is AutoCAD. So see, this is AutoCAD 2000 from 20 years ago. So once you become an expert at this, you go to another company and they don't have AutoCAD. They have, let's say, CAD key, or they got MicroCAD. So now you gotta learn a whole set of new things, like all these icons over here. I used to know what all of them did, and all these menus up there. So let's see, pan, zoom, I don't know. So let me tell you a little bit about this computer. This is my old computer. It's running on so it's running on Windows 98, and I've got 512 megabyte RAM. Well, back in the day, this was a good fast computer. Still, it's okay for 2D, and I have 3D stuff too. I'm gonna make a video of the 3D too. Well, I hope you got something out of this.